Le fa sa ai sa gaula. Le fia mai le fia ma no Siga mo ko kuwa. Afya ya lo siga foi fala samanas. Asma keren farko wala ngale ko biya ko sapa. Apa ya payo samo le apa kau mai juga. Kau ban kasawa. Saya paya la kau le wai ko mani foi paya. Oya ai no mola ko kama mola ko ai ma. Eu só lá com o pulei para o malacau vai ver cai para o fogo. Eu vou com o fio mais para o fogo. O ala só na loba para cair a cofa. Já caiu com o pai e o cair. Kalau fakir kia ilau berapa ni cair. Kalau fai ilau faso ada lama. Kalau fai kau fai sulah. Siapa ele suah, siapa ele kuah. Siapa ele fonkia, siapa ele suakia. Siapa hari kaya ele fioma na ofisini mwangu. Siapa mau mia maya kakung kanga me mau mamu. Yang dia wala fasko wala kaya. Kone foi o gole nakyo kamo. Ya kone foi mama. La ko ke tu mali. Au yuri sauce pula. Amal kamo. Uma faz lele o importar o se fa. Kau asaba ala na saba. Wala fio mai de passa malo. Kau asai ai kau ke sai. La fio mar fa o no oficio le passa saba. Kau asai ala na sai. La fio ma fa o no oficio ko saba. Ya kau au ni ku mas mai ni ko mai kai ku. Yang foi sama moloko kalaro. Ali udah banyak kemaikan ngai fasko, ngai kuat ban. Ya, kau asik, wala kau kalau. Kau angin kuat bayar pulang. Ya alaman ya bawa kelar mungkin. Apa ya suap pela lau sesak esik apa yang malam. Udah lah boleh kuat. Masih sedih kaya. Kumua yang masih di dalam pemalangan ini juga. Masalah saya mai liar, payah malam. Eu ia lepas ko palang mo fawai. Pak lele kako ke fawai ni kai. Angare semua le ko kako ke sifai ni. Oh, ese magaku ya ko fasai na fafu la awa ko mulala lo ko sai puan suma. Kako morio ka ulang fafu kai ni. Leo kako sifai puan mamu le puan mala. Bel kaya ingalo ni kai puan. Kako sifai magaku ka sai puan no ko me pe fawai na fawai na la kai ka ko. Kako sifai puan mamu ka au ma fom malama. Aku lihat ko pe ko le ya. Dia fikir le fom malama le yo le ko ka. Ko buat bingo le ko yang awal mau fa ko pa dia so sekata so sekata. Kaya orang mungkin pakai boleh fi selalu pantaran apa itu mana. Kaya lu agak selafai, kaya aku pulau. Kaya orang mau mana sama semua dia kau semua. Kaya orang aku boleh usah. Mai ini sekarang aku yang mau buat. Akan kau bukan orang dia. Kaya orang hal yang mau kopi mah. Kaya orang hal yang mau makan. Kaya orang hal yang kaya usah semua. Kau suka lalu falu. Kau mengiru lah kau mengu. Kami ufirai mereka, mereka mengakuama. Kalau mau kuanyan, dia waktu main faul kakulakas, dia kuo Yesus Kristus. Kaya ngamu kaku. Kaya sini kaya aja, kaya sini kaya aja, kakuk sini kaya mana pakai. Maka mau pergi mau lalu mau pergi sekolah atau bisa. Setiap jalan jalan aja belum boleh kaya. Anak mau boleh dia mau ofisi. Apa yang salah sama anak kaya fangau mau ada lok. Fangau mau ada lok. Aku kasih file ni kaya fangau mau boleh aku. Kaya ko fangai. Malah ukara pesayid. Malah fangau mau ni so kama malay maka. So ni mayor malah kena Amerika. Malah kinai mo ako may sama. Kaya jangan lele kuah. Ni kaya makan. Kuat ko file mai ko ban pa iyon pa piso le pasa sa mongei. Pa ungo le piso pisco ma le fai ngama. Ia manguia foi. Ia ala mo fanau ia po suma irimo ka mai kai pisco le anga lue mo sa mua. Oro la ku maros. Ia fa peo ngala mai ka ku pulang o fa kan mai ku mafia. Ia mo fa fa pa no ko kalaruma. Ku malela la ku pongiu ia le nela usasi lima. Agora ka suma mu. Ele ko ko wo mu. Ia agora ka suma mu ma ia anda se pinga ngalo re. Adio mai le ku. Agora ko fa agora yo agora. Agora ko fa agora kurang. Agora fa sana kalaruma. Ora mo dia le leo la mo ni kaya. Dia ka ku wala ba ya. Agora ka ba. Agora suma dia le ro ko mala ba le mo se kuah.
Yourself. Lelewa. Mai si Roma na kaupaia. Lea ko sa kaya rama na ai na sa saman. Au kasi ai kau. Leo sarai na ya ko sa kaya kai dita ya. Nada malawa. Hindi mo sa akia o paura ko au na kumas. Lea ko Amia kita usai kako family legas kako wafe ayai na kapau sini lang lewa sufaralo na ko ofisa mal kana wema warfa feo ingo na ko piskoa male kana mai malo kele na ingo le sora ko kuwa na no kaya Ayo, kita biar. Otakus, ayo lekeu, almung. Salah. Kita sama marua. Mau kalayo pola. Iya. Nama makau yang Amerika ke Bali. Jalan enggak? Hotel sama korban perang. Consiglio che sposano, si hanno mai lavorato, questo è molto tanto. Io poi essere rotti, io
Luau, Aba, Lea, Le, Atua, Maniwea. Maniwea. Nuawea.
good.
La wava lea tua, soy fua.
Okay, nou veel met van doen, maar dat was maar dat zo nee. Nou veel wat mis te doen en dan.
Lea tua. Soy fua.
Apa, maar boelen wij over programma. Bis Elisabeth. Tijd.
Lea tua, manuia.
Apa, maar si boelen wij over la piel. Nou op jou wel zien, ciao. Koken, op jou wat kokie! Apa makia kia?
Kalau dah muda, istri mau boleh baik. Mamaya yang buat fight apa? Kalau saya ini mau kapan bisa kapan bisa buat kita yang nikah ya. Boleh buka tu pasti semua mau. Boleh ada foto positif saya buka lagi. Dia orang oficina municipal vai na matéria da Covid, escola, se vai na foi, lá uma rua, a rua, foi passou, ele está real.
Usaha malu lawan apa boleh kau?
Siap. Kalau tidak apa yang apa ini sul. Kalau siapa ini banyak sul. Kalau dia cakap mana? Baik.
Bersiap kali-kali lawan ibu boleh kau. Apa bapak so?
Ayat sila ba yung disco? Ay kau ko go. Maro naman file mo yung sa. Yawa. Kau ay sa kang disco pero sila yung problema. Baru ko yan. Sa babu na kung kasama wa ko na tapusin ko sumaman. Iya dapat yung may nagano puso ni ko nagka-disco ya o na pa. Na pokor to begini. Iya ya ko. Iba ko ni
Wow! Apa berkau kaya biskop tua semua aku papo lalu semua. Kalau bapak kali-kali lawan ibu boleh kau.
Baik, baik. Awalnya ada tu, tadi isi dokumen apa mana tu terlalu malah, Ai ke fa ma ko ka mo le ke wo se apa pe ma ko sa wang mia ta to ta
Aba ma presida la o la o fiamo la coloi.
Okay. Now, I will let you from Manuia, my family, Manuia, so what?
Josephine, la sua de papai, la wipu na kaku.
Apa dia lihat tu? Ya, mana tu tu? Orang dia yang suka kai.
Wow! Lawa man grupo ngai tifo. Vai lá o sofá. Vai o biscoito, essa moguei. Leo, a pessoa lá lawa. Não suma preach. Kali lá o itu para kaku. Apa ma pizza? Passa mo peteu. Kimo di la baba wala kaku. Aba mala kaila.
Lawa awa lea atua. Manuia.
And Johnny kali lawi.
Lao ava lea tua. Soy tua.
Manuia.
Elizabeth, lawi puwa.
Ava lea tua.
Manuia.
Jilen kali lawa.
Manuia.
Princess kaya nga lawa mawalwas.
Lao ava lea atua. Soy tua.
Kau awan ndai Julian. Vai li kari la ui. Lau amalan nei le ana. Apa mamai? Tak, kali lawi.
Ta'ava, Lewea, Atua, Sapua.
China, kali lawi pun boleh kauku. Wah, kau langsung aja. Wow! Mau kiwal pangan lau. Asal dia lama ai kau ke lau dia lau sila pula mangkangan me ba ho kamu. Lau dia mangap lau dia mai an.
Ele tua ni pera o seu mato ao dia nem tai a fogo no anga lima no anga lofa. It's always a pleasure to meet you, Your Excellency. Welcome to Samoa once again, and we hope to continue to work in partnership with the American Embassy. It's a pleasure to meet our new Charge of Affairs here in our embassy here in Samoa, and we wish you the very best in your new position, and especially working here in Samoa. To the members of our the American Embassy, but more importantly also to the Director of the Peace Corps Office here in Samoa and all the staff of the Peace Corps Office. Always a pleasure to meet you. And on behalf of the Ministry of Education and Culture, I acknowledge your presence and acknowledge your work and the efforts that you do on behalf of the children of Samoa. To our new group who have come from afar, your presence we do not take lightly. You have left your loved ones, you have left your homes, traveled across the world to a half a dot on the map, and to work here in Samoa. But God works in mysterious ways, because I find it is a blessing this morning. You happen to be here, but I have my auntie who's sitting in the back there, Judy Daniels. Judy was a Peace Corps with my family in my village in Palearupo back in the 1960s. her late husband, Michael, or Mikael, worked and stayed with my family in Paleari. So the impact, the influence of the Peace Corps is intergenerational. And that is why Judy is a blessing to have her here in Samoa to visit, but it's a blessing that she's here as a former Peace Corps and to see you begin your journey as a Peace Corps. I wish you all the best in the work that you do, and I acknowledge you for the fact that you have come from afar to help teach the children of this country. The job is not going to be easy. But there's one thing that I will say. Try and learn the language. Try and learn the language. There's a poem that was once said, and it's directed mostly to Samoans. The late Tatisini once said, learn to speak Samoan not so that you sound Samoan, but so that you will now feel the true essence of what it feels like to be Samoan. And so during the time that you are here, we truly hope that you will learn Samoan and be able to appreciate and not only that, acknowledge the beauty of what is Samoan. All the best and God bless you for.
Yeah.
Honorable CEO, as the country director for Peace Corps Samoa, I would like to thank the Ministry of Education and Culture for welcoming our new trainees with this traditional Ava ceremony. This warm welcome is an honor that our trainees will always remember. And it marks the beginning of their journey to learn about Fa'a Samoa, the Samoan way. So we are pleased that you have accepted them today. And we look forward to the mutual aloha, love, and support that will characterize their 2 years of Peace Corps service as English literacy volunteers. So this group of 14 trainees who arrived in Samoa yesterday afternoon, so they're fresh off the plane. They joined the 14 other Peace Corps volunteers who arrived last year and who are currently serving and hard at work in primary schools all across Samoa, in Upolu and Savaii. With the arrival of these trainees, there will soon be 28 Peace Corps volunteers once these trainees swear in September. So increasing our numbers of presence in Samoan schools and support with English literacy in 28 schools in Samoa, across Samoa. So they'll be working with their Samoan teacher counterparts in the classrooms, and they'll also be enhancing our school libraries across Samoa. So I want to thank the government of Samoa for 57 years now of partnership with Peace Corps. And I would also like to thank MEC personally for our productive partnership and ongoing collaboration. With the addition of these 14 qualified English literacy specialists today, I'm excited that we will continue supporting MEC's efforts toward improving English literacy in our primary schools. And I also want to say thank you for Judy for coming to the ceremony today. I had an opportunity, she stopped by our office yesterday, so that was my first time to meet her. From Group 2, Peace Corps Samoa Group 2, so Group 94. Judy also started, was a Peace Corps English teacher. So she was just saying how pleased she was to see that, this important work is continuing. And so Judy, thank you for coming to the. Yeah. Her Samoan is still excellent.
Oh, and all too, you are in for something else. It can change your life. I met and fell in love with the Isiko Sanofi and the current minister, Akiyanga. And this is my granddaughter. I'm from Arizona, and I wish you all the best. I'd love to meet you and lend any support. You are in for the ride of your life. Let it happen. Yes, please learn the language, no matter where you live.
Thank you, Judy. Tai. So Faka Tai Talelava again for today's Ava ceremony and for accepting our trainees in Samoa. This is indeed a very special occasion. And so at this time, it's my pleasure to present the trainees to you, and I will ask each one of them to just introduce themselves, their name, tell you where they're from in the U.S. Tai.
Hi, I'm Kiana. I'm from Southern California, in the Orange County Park. I'm Anjali. I'm from South Florida. Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and I'm from Pennsylvania.
Hi, I'm Julian, and I'm from Ohio.
Hi, I'm Kirk, and I'm from Ohio.
Hello, my name is Riley, and I'm from Chicago.
I'm Thad, and I'm from Mississippi.
Pete, and I'm from Pennsylvania.
I'm Tim, and I'm from Houston, Texas.
Hello, I'm Jillian, and I'm from Virginia.
Hello, I'm Maya. I'm from Oregon.
Hello, I'm Rain, and I'm from Maryland.
Hello, class. My name is Kayla. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana.
Aketai, thank you, honorable ministers and executives from the ministry. And this has been a wonderful Ava ceremony. The thing that this does is introduce these young people into the Fa'a Samoa. and we appreciate that, and they will learn the language and be a part of Samoa and work on their very important task. We thank you, all of you, for being so kind and wonderful and compassionate and care very much about following Samoan traditions. Thank you.
Thank you for your kind words, Your Excellency, and thank you for your blessings as well. Your presence, as I said, this truly is, we appreciate that you too have traveled from afar, and for the work that the American government continues to do for Samoa. So on behalf of the government of Samoa, we too extend our sincere appreciation and best wishes to Your Excellency in regards to the work that we do together. To our class of 94. Well, once you're good luck into your training, you just arrived and already going straight into it. The fact that you had to sit cross-legged for the last hour and a half, well, that's your first orientation in Samoan life. But once you begin your work, the Ministry of Education, as long as I am CEO, will be part of your extended IE, your extended family. I have asked particularly these three ladies here. Toti will be looking in regards to the teacher development. So she will be working very closely with all of the schools. She works very closely already with all the schools. But in particular, there will be times that she will also be looking, and supporting you as a teacher in our schools and teaching literacy. Next to me is Julian Taylor. She looks at school operations. So the day-to-day runnings of the schools and the programs in the schools, she and her staff, we have Solo as well, also with school operations, they will be working very closely in regards to the work that we are doing. Altoa is also representing the assessment and evaluation unit. And so in regards to our national assessments, again, they will also be reaching out to all of our schools in regards to their capacity. The fact is this, once you begin your work, you become an extended part of this family. And so this premises, this building, is part of you, because you are doing a great service towards the children of Samoa, in supporting the children of Samoa in regards to their reading. And so we cannot, stop the appreciation that we feel that you have traveled this far to make the first step. So good luck, all the best, and if you should need any help, please don't, feel that you cannot ask the ministry for help. We will be very happy to help you in whatever way. So, all the best. It will not be easy. I'm not going to mince my words. It will not be easy, but you've come this far. Done so well already. Keep going. Those who have died will never know. That ends our ceremony, Your Excellency.